we're looking for the K-Swap Honda. We're gonna be running. I think I just saw him over here. There's a lot of nice cars out here. Hella BMWs. There he is.
Here we go. The bar 2 left lanes for the drivers and head out. Once we're at, we're gonna send the next location out there. You guys can do again. You guys can do fucking rolls, whatever you guys want. Just to be clear with the lanes, cause
we could try a 60, and then if it's like too one-sided, we could try like a 50. After try 60, and then if it's close, then we could just do another 60 or so. Once we get over there, then I'll show you my, talk more about it and all that. Yeah. Sure. All right. I'll see you out there. Just go, boys. I want to run the V. Man, what's up with that Evo too? I'm trying to see what the Evo's all about. Let me go ask him. Yo, what's up, dude? You trying to run a GTI?
Which one is it?
2 cars over with the hood open.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. You down to run it?
Yeah,
60 roll? Wait, what do you have?
Downpipe 85.
But is it upgraded? Upgraded turbo?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, we can try it out.
Yeah? Okay.
Alright. Yeah, boy. We're all heading out. I see some cars I want to run, but sometimes they could be like on the stock side, so we'll see. We'll see what we find, guys. I think this blue one is boosted. If it is, that would be a good one to try out. And there you have it, another night in the books for the GTI. So we took it out, see what we could line up against. It's a little bit of a bummer we couldn't fully run the K24 Honda Insight. That would have probably been the most interesting match of the night. Homeboy said he was having some issues with the nitrous kicking in, so let me know if you guys want to see a rematch with that car. Probably set something up. Drop it in the comments down below. Let us know, guys. If you want to see us rematch the Honda Insight on nitrous, probably be a close match. We do it from a 50 or 60 roll, you know, whatever it may be. But the GTI was driving good tonight. No issues there. So, you know, again, we can't complain. Banging some gears there. That AMG Mercedes was probably the quicker car of the night that we lined up against. It had downpipes, intakes, and I'm not sure what other mods. So we're trying to look for like other cars too. We didn't really find like any Mustangs or anything like that, but we did run that ZL1, so that was pretty cool. That one was, I guess, like full bolt-ons with pulley, so that was nice. But we'll bring the GTI out again sometime soon. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and catch you on the next one. Peace.